Hi, it's HardReset, and today I'll show you how to fix Motorola Moto G67 battery draining problem. So first go into the settings, then find battery settings. Here you have the battery usage that you can monitor and battery saver. Enable the battery saver. I won't be doing it because it enables some features that I want to show you how to enable manually. Then go back and into the display settings. Here, lower brightness or just use adaptive brightness. Enable dark theme. Scroll down to Screen Timeout and shorten this time to around 1 minute. Then scroll from the top and disable every feature you're not using, for example, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, or mobile data. Then close all the background apps. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.